Saglit lang ha. For a while lang ha. Please give me a minute ha. May meet me here in the entrance. We're here in behalf of Senator Bato. We are the lawyers representing Senator Bato. And of course, it is our belief that it is a violation of parliamentary immunity kapag po inaresto si Senator Bato. So we're trying to prevent this unlawful arrest, and hopefully we can appeal to the senses of the parties acting behind this arrest.
When did you first receive the order, sir? When did you first receive the notice that Senator De La Rosa might be arrested anytime?
No, it's all from the media. We haven't received any formal notice, at least in our office. No, that's why we're here to confer with our friend and our client to make sure that all the papers have been processed properly and served. No? So for now, what we know is that walang alam ang aming kampo sa move na ito. So we must be slow to judgment at hindi po natin pwedeng hayaan na hastily ito mag-occur kasi otherwise baka maulit na naman ang nangyari sa ating former president.